Hello everyone, Ryuden is here. In this video, I'll present to you about my IoT prototype. It is called Morse Lockbox. So what is this? This is an IoT safe box that utilizes visual Morse code transmissions as the authentication system. Now, I'm going to show you how it works with a demonstration. We have the box in here as the prototype of the Morse Lockbox, and also the mobile phone here with the app as the authenticator. So the box itself has two compartments. So on the left side here is the bigger one, is for the container, and on the right hand side here is to store all of the electrical components here. We also have a reset button here, and also LCD here to display as a monitor, and also a small room here to read the Morse code that is sent by the phone here. So inside the app here, as we already preset the password here, and when we click save, it will store the password inside the Firebase cloud system, and then it will retrieve that inside the box here. And then we can clear it up to reset everything, like no one can see what's the password. And then when we click run, you can see it is reading. So the red color here for 1 second is a dot, 3 seconds red is dash, and blue color are separators. So if the password is correct, it's gonna open up, and we can open the box here. These are the container, and here are all of the system works. So what are technologies and architecture of this prototype? First, we have the Arduino Uno as the main system. I'm also using the React.js as the web application for the mobile app. I also have the Firebase to store password as demonstrated, which is retrieved by Raspberry Pi 0. I also have other components, which are a color sensor and also micro servo to simulate the locking mechanism. So in this architecture, as we saw in the demonstration, I click on the save button to store that password into the Firebase. Before it is stored, the password is encrypted with the AES algorithm. Then the password is automatically retrieved by the Raspberry Pi 0. The retrieved password is decrypted, and then it is transmitted to the Arduino via serial transmission. Now the box is holding the new password. The color sensor that is connected to the Arduino reads the Morse code patterns that are transmitted by the mobile phone by using the color codes in there. Then by using the retrieve password from Firebase, the password is compared with that new transmitted string. If it is a match, the lock will open. So what are the reasons to build this kind of system? There are two main reasons. First is the new feature in delivery services, and also provide a new unique safe fault system. In delivery services, the system can be used for additional security feature in parcels delivery. Because it can change password every second dynamically, I will show you the example of how it is demonstrated. So first of all, the password will be like this. Then during the delivery, the password changes over time, and when the parcel is arrived, the password is already completely different from when it was started. Then for the safe or fault system, currently we already familiar with this kind of safes, like using the key or numpad, fingerprint, and also the latest one is the iris or face recognition. This is also an IoT device, which is new and really cool, but the problem is it is expensive. Meanwhile, this system will provide you a cheap and unique locking system physically detached between the key and the box, and no one have a clue to unlock the box except by using the brute force. So in summary, what does this system provide? So it introduced a dynamic password system, and also able to use the most secured encryption algorithm such as AES, FIT3146, or etc. And also can be used as two-factor authentications. So it will complement with the key, numpad, iris, or anything else, and also will be very useful for delivery services, just as we mentioned before, and also will be useful for bank, vaults, safes companies who want to implement this kind of locking system. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me via my website, rioalfredo.com. See ya!